Alright, Reed's back from fishing. He's going to taste test it for us.
Don't do something with it?
Yes, we spin it.
Oh, dang. Ice. Looks really good.
Hey, what's up guys? Tobin here, 5M Family Homestead Channel. Today we are camping at beautiful Lake Ray Roberts in North Texas. We're here for the 4th of July weekend and we wanted to share with y'all a way that we've started doing queso that is the best queso you're ever going to have. So let's show you how we do it. So first, let me show you what we have in our ingredients. We have everything already prepped and ready to go. This is going to go on the campfire on coals to cook it. It also can go in a smoker. We've cooked this in a smoker at our house. So first you're going to start out with 1 pound block of Velveeta, 1 pound of spicy breakfast sausage, 1 can of Rotel that is not drained, 8 ounces of spicy pepper jack cheese, 8 ounces of Colby and Monterey Jack, 8 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese. Alright guys, so we have a campfire going right here back behind the camper. We're going to take this over there and put it directly on the campfire coals, and we're going to stay there and babysit it and stir it as needed, and we're going to add milk as needed to get it to the consistency we want. It'll probably take about 30 minutes, and this will be the best queso you ever had. Alright guys, Easton wanted me to give credit where credit's due for the fire.
I made it. Look how many big logs I have in there. Those were used to all be sticks, but now they're all just crisp.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this straight on those coals right there. Like I said, we're going to stay with it and babysit it and stir it as needed. We might end up covering it with some aluminum foil if we need to hold the heat in. We're just going to see how it goes. So let's do it. Alright guys, we've had it on here about 5 minutes now. This is kind of what it looks like. It's kind of getting a little thick, so we're going to put some... So we're going to put some milk in there to kind of thin it out a little bit. Hot. Almost a bad word. We covered it with some foil to help hold the heat in. Alright guys, the queso is done. It looks fantastic. We've had it on the coals for about 20 to 30 minutes. We've been covering it in between when we're stirring it with just a piece of aluminum foil to help hold the heat in. We've been stirring it about every 4 or 5 minutes just so it doesn't burn on the bottom. And we use a lot more milk than I thought we would. We probably end up using probably 2 to 3 cups of milk. So make sure you have plenty of milk on hand to thin it out. So come out here, let's take a look at it. So that's it guys. Alright guys, so it's done, it's ready to go. We're going to take it inside. We've got all the family here. We're going to go in there and taste test it and we'll let y'all know how it tastes.
Yeah, I'm just gonna act like I like it.
Alright, we're here with Easton. He's going to taste test it.
I cut what? Here.
Because it's just sweet.
Going back for more.
Oh! It's better than what.
Alright, Mom's trying it.
Make sure that
Say that again.
It was good.
All right, Reed's back from fishing. He's gonna taste test it for us.
Don't do something with it?
Yes, we spin it.
Oh, dang. It was really good. That's better than the last one we made. Did you use Velveeta cheese? I knew it.
See, so what it is.
All right, guys. Well, there you have it. The family taste tested it, and it looks like it's a big success. Everybody loves it. I've been in there eating on it for a few minutes now before I came out here to shoot this. Guys, I hope this video helps y'all. I hope y'all use it. If you do, comment and let us know. We've made this at the house on our smoker as well, and it was great. Cooked a little faster on the smoker than it did out here on the campfire, obviously. But y'all do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment and let us know if you like it or what you would add to it. And add anything you want to. It doesn't have to be what we did. Put jalapenos in there or anything. So let us know. Hit that thumbs up button. Thank y'all so much for watching. We'll see y'all again.
It's too good to be true.